guys, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So today we are going to talk about the lifestyle in India and in Singapore. There are few things people want to know if they are thinking to move to a different country, like food, transportation and many more. As we both have stayed in both the places, here we will be talking about our experience. So without further delay, let's get started. So first we'll talk about transportation. I feel in Singapore the transportation systems are well managed and better than India. In India अगर मुझे कहीं जाना होता है तो मैं 2 घंटे पहले ही निकल जाती हूँ ताकि मैं वहाँ पे पहुँच सकूँ, उससे लेट ना हो जाऊँ because of traffic or other reasons. But I'm not talking about metros at all because I live in a small town. But जितना मुझे पता है people even face more problem in big cities.
In Singapore, transportation is not a problem. There are buses and trains connecting throughout the country, and every 1 kilometer, I guess, you will find one bus stop, and every stop is sheltered and well informed with the bus numbers and everything. So it's pretty easy, and you can go from anywhere to anywhere within half an hour to 45 minutes. In this country, it's of course pretty small, but it's pretty fast also. But the transportation is pretty fast, and there is barely any traffic jam. And the roads are pretty clean and actually sparkling clean. If we talk about food, there are many cuisines here. There are a lot of foreigners here, so they have different food types, and there are 2 arrangements. You can go to food courts or you can go to restaurants. Food court food is a little bit cheaper than the restaurants, and of course you can choose to eat from like $5 meal to hundreds of dollars of meals. So it's your choice. If you are a junk food lover like this girl, you will find McDonald's, KFC everywhere.
But if you are in India, you have a privilege. You can get yummy street foods anywhere else like India, like momos, pani puri, pav bhaji and many more. I can't even think all the names because there are so many. And also, if you are in India, you can do this. Mummy, चाय बना दो. मम्मी, भूख लगी है, खाना दे दो. मम्मी, पानी ला दो ना प्लीज. मम्मी, चार्ज खत्म हो गया यार, चार्जर ला दो ना. मम्मी सुनो ना, मेरा फोन वहाँ पे पड़ा है, प्लीज ला दो.
खुद ले जा जाके.
यार मैं आपकी बेटी नहीं हूँ क्या, प्लीज ला दो, लास्ट टाइम आखिरी बार, प्लीज.
प्रिंसेस, कहाँ का प्रिंसेस?
This is the point I really wanted to talk about because it is the thing I really hate about my country. Because if you are a girl, you have a lots of restriction. Like you can't go out if it is dark. You can talk to boys freely. You can wear clothes of your choice. There are few things I really feel ashamed of, like people's judging mentality, antis gossiping, and all those. But in Singapore, well, I will show you.
In Singapore, you can have any kind of social life you want, from being really involved to not having anyone to talk to, really alone. So it's up to you how involved you want to be. You can find friends through like social gatherings, which is not happening right now, but there are apps where you can meet up people and kind of stuff. And if you're an Indian, if you want Indian friends, then there are plenty of Indians here. Otherwise you can find friends from other countries too. Of course at your work you will find friends too, and if you don't have friends, it's kind of sad. other than that, I really miss India when it's festivals time. Here we really have to make an effort to make that festival kind of vibe. So I think you will survive, and if you find lovely friends, you will be really happy.
Well, in this case, I would say Singapore is expensive. In the case of accommodation, it is so expensive than India, but other things are manageable. I mean, I sometimes find some things that are cheaper than the price in India. बेटा, ये सामान ले आना जाके और ये पैसा भी ले ले. दाल, चावल, आटा, चीनी, कॉर्नफ्लेक्स, टूथपेस्ट, मैदा. मम्मी ये क्या है? इतना सारा सामान और इतना सा पैसा नहीं आएगा मम्मी, और थोड़ा सा पैसा दो. चुप, मम्मी से जवान लड़ाती है. तुझे जाना पता है या मुझे जाना पता है? जितना पैसा दिया है उतने में लेके आ, सब हो जाएगा. That is it for today guys. अगर वीडियो पसंद आए
That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.